What's happening, Panda Nation? I'm Peter Von Panda. Why don't you have a seat right over there? And if you do a lot of sitting, you know it's important to be comfortable and, keep your body healthy by having good posture, but also having good cushioning. And actually, one of the things that ended up happening to me is my chair, my iLux Lobby chair that I use a lot on a day-to-day basis. The padding on the bottom has gotten kind of thin and worn out, and I'd like a little elevation and a little more comfort, and comfort's the name of the game. So I picked this up. It's by iGelComfort, the gel cushion expert. I thought this looked like a pretty premium seat cushion here, so I thought I might give it a little try, see what it's like, and see if, I can actually feel a difference. Now, I will tell you that part of my decision on this was the fact that I have like these gel memory foam sleeping mattresses, queen size. I've got them from a few different brands, and I absolutely love them. They are super comfortable. I would almost never go back now at this point. So just really like those. So I figured, well, if I like sleeping on them, why wouldn't I like sitting on them? So you can see here, it says Sojoy iGelComfort. This thing is actually pretty heavy. I mean, not like uncomfortably heavy, but it's got a serious weight on it. Nice little fabric handle here. It has a little bit of like this velvet velour type material on the top, but then if we flip it over, you can see here a zipper so that you get this pad out. I can tell you it's a little U-shaped, so there's a little bit of an opening here, cut through there, and then we have a bump over here, and then kind of a couple of recesses right there, so it should be nice on your bottom. And then if I just flip it over here, what you can see, hopefully, is that we have all these little tiny, I'd call them like silicone dots on the bottom, so it's really grippy. And when I put it down here, it's not moving. And so I think this would go down on the bottom part of your chair, so joy tag right there, and then you would kind of figure out which way you would want to sit, but I think it would go this way, so this would be the front of your seat. You do have a couple of like small curves right up here too, and then you kind of sit on it, and like this gel memory foam type material would just kind of contour around you. So let's find out if this is really comfy. So as you can see, definitely kind of squish the cushion on here. So I was just thinking, throw that bad boy on there, just like that. Maybe make this thing a lot more comfortable. Oh yeah, boy! Woo! A little hard to see there, I guess, but boom! Yeah, this thing is comfy. Wow. It's actually kind of giving me like an extra inch of height. Kind of adjust it forward and back. I do like those little dots on it so that you can kind of place it where you want it. It's not sliding around, especially on a leather chair like this. That can kind of be a problem on even on cloth or something. That's kind of important to keep in mind. So, man, that is comfortable. Wow. Just kind of adjust yourself. It's like being a brand new chair. It just kind of conforms to your bottom, and wow. I don't know, I feel like it helps posture and the whole 9 yards. Listen, this thing is pretty sweet. Give some new life to an old chair. Don't throw a chair away. Make it more comfortable. I would assume you could use this in your car as well. Maybe your riding tractor, your office chair, your chair for dinner, whatever. I mean, lots of different uses, and anywhere that you sit, take it on vacation with you. Long drive in the car, I definitely would see using this. So this is pretty awesome. I'm going to put a link to it in the description. I'm real happy with it. Peter Von Panda, out.